Today we're doing a very exciting video. Welcome to my kitchen again. It's been a hot minute, but I thought today... Excuse me. Zula's being very sassy at the moment. So I thought today we would do something a little bit different and we would do another little cooking video. I love doing these videos so much, but I don't do them very often. I need to find some more healthy recipes that I can make because honestly, my tummy can't handle a lot of things. So I actually eat quite basic and that's not really fun to film. But today I thought we could make a healthy little snack recipe that's only, wait for it, 2 ingredients. I know, right? So if you're wondering, what the hell is she gonna make that's 2 ingredients and is it gonna taste any good? Well, we are making toasted coconut flakes. And yes, I've tried this before and it's freaking amazing. Seriously, I don't know about you, but I get like that 3 o'clock sugar craving and I have developed a little bit of sweet tooth over the last couple of years and I would grab some chocolate and like 20 minutes later I'd feel ill. Now I can quickly make this snack and I feel great afterwards. It fills that sugar craving need and it's so easy to make. So enough talking, let's just get into it. All right, so as I said, you only need 2 ingredients. So the first one being coconut flakes. So you can just get these from Coles or Woolies. And the second ingredient, some maple syrup. Now, I know you're going, maple syrup isn't healthy. You literally only need the teensiest amount, so I don't think it really counts. What you want to do is, I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but I've gone ahead and preheated the oven to 180 degrees. And then you're going to need a little baking tray or something. I'm going to spray it. It shouldn't stick. This should be non-stick, but I'm going to spray it anyway. Just a light spray like that. You guys are going to love how easy this is and how tasty it actually is. Of course, if you don't like coconut, you're probably not going to enjoy this as much, but my partner detests coconut, like, anything to do with coconut. And I made this for myself one night and you know, it smells good. And he came over and he's like, what's that? It's like, it's coconut, you won't like it. And he tried a bit and he freaking loved it. So even if you don't like coconut, you might actually like this. So usually I would use the whole packet, but today I only want a little snack and I don't want to overeat. So I'm just going to use about a cup worth. So I've got about that much in there. Smells so yummy. And then for about a cup, I'd use about a tablespoon of maple syrup, but I'm just going to eyeball this. I love this recipe because you don't have to be particular about it. Just guesstimate. Okay, so that's all I'm putting on. Doesn't look like a lot, but it goes far. And then you just want to mix it through so the maple syrup coats all the flakes. And this is going to caramelize and crisp up in the oven and it's going to be amazing. All right, so I've just mixed that through and now it's ready for the oven. So I'm going to stick it in the oven for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. But the really important step is you have to check it literally like every 3 minutes and turn it so that all the coconut gets toasted evenly and doesn't get burned. So I'm going to put this in the oven. And now we wait. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes, so I'm just going to stir. This is very hard with 2 hands. So you can see a bit has toasted already. Okay, so just turning again. It's looking nice and crispy. I might give it a couple more minutes. So this is what we've got. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes to cool down and crisp up, and then we'll give it a taste test. All right, guys, so live camera taste test time. I have put it in a little container. It's perfect for keeping for later, so you can just snack on whenever you like. Oh, yum. Let's do it. Can you hear it? How crunchy it sounds? All right. Going in. Look at how toasty and yum that looks. Oh. Still nice and warm too. It's got like that sugary hint, and the crunchiness is just so good. I'm in trouble. I'm gonna eat this whole container. Alright, one more. You can also bag this up into little portion sizes too. Take it to work, whatever. If you guys try this, let me know what you think. Hopefully I can do some more easy, healthy recipes soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a lovely day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys!